What if I fail? What will people think about me? I don't take, I don't take risks. You're sorry, I will not take risks. What if I fail? People laugh at me. I will become ashamed. What my neighbors think about me, what my parents think about me, what my girlfriend think about me, what my friend think about me. What if I fail? No, I will not take this risk because I don't want to, I'm okay where I am. I'm okay. I'm good. I don't want to. I don't want to do this. Is there another way? Is there any shortcut? Is there another thing can do that things? My dear friend, you might be thinking, am I insane? Let me explain. You and I, even everybody want to become a successful person, but nobody want to take risks. Nobody want to take risks. Nobody want to pay the amount. When I say amount, is not just money. It's your effort. It's your dedication. It's your persistence. It's your all, man. No one is ready to pay the price of success, but everybody want to become a successful person. Let me tell you guys why you are not succeed today. My dear friend, today whatever you are, if you feel that you are successful, congratulations, no issue, congratulations. If you feel that I have to achieve more, but I don't achieve, think about what activity, what you did in your life. Do you take any challenges in your life? Do you challenge yourself? Do you find out your full potential? Do you go to the beyond? Do you do something which people not accepted from you? Do you do something which is you not accepted from yourself? Then only you will find your full potential. My dear friend, nowadays people are afraid to figure out their potential because people feeling, if I figure out my potential, people will laugh at me. Yes, they laugh at you, my dear friend. They laugh at you. Yes, they laugh at you. I am on the journey. I am telling the truth. People will laugh at you. People will make a fun of you. It's okay. One day they will forget. Even you fail, they will forget. But you succeed, they will follow you. I am telling you, they will follow you. You have to but take initiative. Everybody, there is no shortcut of success. Every successful people give their own experience by their books, by their quotations, by their in which many video form, every form they will share. Remember what Mahatma Gandhi said. First people laugh at you, then they will realize that what happening, then they will come at you. I don't say correct quotation because I don't remember, but I remember the meaning. So people laugh at you in the initial level. Whenever you find your potential, whenever you will go and figure out what potential you have, why you meant for in this, why you come for this, why you come in this earth, why you come in this planet. If you go and figure out your potential, obvious people laugh at you because you are doing something different from crowd. You are doing something different from crowd, then definitely people will see you and people will laugh at you on an initial level because in initial you will walk like a baby. You will do mistakes like a baby. Remember when we are a kid, when we are a baby, we do a lot of mistakes. But we don't afraid when our parents laugh at us. When our parents look us and laugh at, we don't afraid. We still doing mistakes and we improving daily, and today today whatever we are the mistakes and learning of our past. My dear friend, this is the one go video. That's the reason I don't plan anything. This is I have to challenge myself. I don't want to plan anything. I just come to you and share about why we don't succeed, why we don't succeed. My dear friend, this video is going to be a most inspiring video ever. This video is going to be an inspiring video. Not today, not tomorrow. someday, one day, this video is going to be a very inspiring video, because I was not able to speak a proper sentence, I was not able to pronounce the proper word, I was not able to look proper, I was not able to, design this proper setup, but still I was making videos. I'm telling you, this video is going to be an inspiring video, because what I do, whenever I learn, getting inspired and learning from somebody else, I always check their old videos, I always check their old posts, I always check their old things, and I get inspired. Then I thought, why not to make a journey? This is my documentary journey. Even I fail, you will learn from me. Even I succeed, you will learn from me. This is what I am. Oh my God. This is what I am. Even I fail in my life, you will learn from me. How crazy he is. How crazy I am, you will learn from me. Even I succeed, you will learn from me. I am a real life, journey. And I'm telling you, I will going to do whatever it takes. Maybe I'm going to become a joke, or maybe I'm going to become a zero, or maybe I become a hero, I don't know. But I know only one thing, I have to improve daily 1%. And nobody can stop me to improving daily 1%, not even me. I have to improve daily 1%. I don't know how I will achieve, I don't know how I'm going to, what do next, and I don't know nothing. I only know one thing, I have to live today, I have to focus on my today, I have to improve daily, I have to plan daily, I have to act daily, I have to work daily, and I have to act daily. My success is today. And let tomorrow what happen, I don't know. Maybe I fail, maybe I succeed. That thing is not in my hand. In my hand is today, and I'm going to put my effort, my learning, my action, everything I'm going to give today. This is one go video. I'm feeling so proud of. You might be thinking this video is so bad because I was not able to speak properly, I was not able to give the construction so that you can look complete video. I don't care. This video is one go video. A person who not able to speak English and he is recording in one take. It's amazing movement for me. It's a proud moment for me, as I learned from this Apple mobile phone. The founder of Steve Jobs said, the employee asked to the Steve Jobs, sir, why we work so hard on the internal machines? Nobody knows how the internal design look. We have to just make our outer body look design great. Steve Jobs replied, people don't know how the internal machine design, but we know how the internal machine design. And because of that, we know, we stand in the market and we proudly said, this is the best ever phone you will get in the entire market. This is the best phone. And that's like that. If I hustle today, if I work today, if I take video in one go, then I am the best from the rest of everybody. And this is the proud moment for me. And I'm telling you, this is the most inspiring video. And let me announce the one more important thing, that I am going to take a 30-day challenge. For the next 30 days, I'm going to upload one videos per day. Each individual day, I have to upload one videos for YouTube. No matter whether I have good, well dressed, good grooming, and the background and everything, no matter, I have to make one video per day for the next 30 days. This is something I'm challenging myself and pushing myself, so that let me check myself, let me check my potential, whether I can do or not. I believe I can do. I will do whatever it takes to achieve my potential. But let me find out what a mind can do. Let me see. And I'm going to make video, not only keep with me, I'm uploading this video, and this is the ever hardly few people are doing in this world. My dear friend, this is a documentary video. I'm telling you, I'm super excited. So as I said, I am taking the 30-day video challenge, where I'm going to upload one video for the YouTube channel next 30 days without any missing the single day. This is the challenge for myself, And let me tell you guys, you will learn from these challenges. You will see my growth. If I achieve something, you will learn. If I lose something, you will learn. So in both way you will learn. That's the reason you subscribe my channel. Now let me tell you why we not succeed, why we not successful. Let me tell you. How I'm going to tell you. Let me tell you. Whatever you do today, if you are not today succeed, then you have to do opposite what you do till now. There is no secret of success, there is no shortcut of success, there is a process, there is a system, and this process and this system only work. Let me tell you, you have to do opposite thing. If you are a procrastinator, do opposite. Take actions. You will succeed. You do procrastination, you fail, you not succeed. If you start taking action, you will succeed. I don't know how to speak English, you fail. Okay, start learning English, you will succeed. Who stop you? Who is stopping you? I correct the sentence. Who is stopping you? Who is stopping you? Go and learn. I'm not fit. I'm obesity problem. I'm not healthy. So you fail. Now for success, you need to go gym. You need to work out. Do workout. You will succeed. Understand? Success. There is no secret. There is no shortcut. This is the only way you will succeed. You have to take action. There is no other way. There is no other shortcut. There is no one give you the blueprint like this is the formula for success. No, my dear friend. The formula for success is you are whatever you are the reflection of your life. Today you see me in this date, I am a reflection of my past. Whatever you seeing in me tomorrow or few months, I am the reflection of my past. You might be thinking why I am smiling when I say you will see me tomorrow, because I have a strong belief that I have to change myself. I'm going to change myself completely, because I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior mindset. I'm going to change myself. Let them create something different. Maybe I fail, maybe I succeed, but I have to enjoy each and every moment and hustle each and every moment. And this is the reason why we are not succeed, because we are doing opposite. So if you want to become succeed, you have to change all your routines. If you are not fit, go to gym, you will become fit again. If you are procrastinator, take action. You will not procrastination, at the end you will become succeed. If you don't know how to speak English, if you don't know how to do anything, go and find the way, learn, and you will succeed. But all these things take patience, take dedications, take persistence, take your effort, take your time, take your consistency, take you. Are you ready to pay all those things? If yes, then success is for you. Success is waiting for you, my dear friend, if you are ready. If not, then might be you succeed already. I don't care whether you succeed or not. I care for myself and for only those people who are action taker. If you are action taker, if you want to become a change, if you are action taker, if you want to do something great and meaningful in your life, then subscribe my channel, connect with me, and text me in my Instagram anywhere. Brother, let's learn together, let's grow together, and let me see your dedication. We will grow together, we will learn together. This is my challenge. But if you are lazy people, if you are not like to learn any new things, then nobody can help you, even not you. First you need to help yourself, then other people will help you. This is what I learned from my mentors, what I learned from the outsider world, what I learned from the outside. So thank you so much for watching this video. You will see this is how rough video, but I'm telling you, I'm so happy and proud feeling that I make this video in one go. And I don't know how long this video is, but whatever it takes, I'm going to do. Next 30 days I'm going to upload one video per day. Boo.